thing you know, she's looking at the shoes, she just runs off to the back. She doesn't tell me what she's doing, she doesn't tell me wait. I'm on my lunch break, it's an hour. She stays out there for about 10 minutes. Okay, when she finally comes out, yeah, no, that's fine, we can do it. Starts typing away on the computer. You can even check your CCTV cameras after she comes out. Types away. Next thing you know, pulls out her iPhone from her pocket. Oh, no, Courtney said we can't do it. I'm looking like, who's Courtney? I don't know Courtney, I don't know you.
But that was me, and just so you know, what happened was they sent me a picture. The picture wasn't downloaded, so I said to her,
that's not an excuse, mate. Because at the end of the day, as soon as it comes out of your mouth to a customer,
we
you
never told
can
you.
return
Yeah,
it. She did. Nah, don't even.
But it means
don't
basically
even.
it's conclusive as this, isn't it?
No, it doesn't make a difference. You can't say to a customer, I cannot say.
So that's what I can tell.
What do you mean it's not faulty?
It's not.
It doesn't matter whether it's faulty or not. You have 28 days.
And they won.
I wore them inside my bloody house.
They won.
Worn for what? Worn from what?
I'm
How
not
are they
arguing
worn?
with you. I'm
How
just
are
telling
they
you they
worn?
would. And if I can't sell
So
them,
why is she able to tell me yes and then you can tell me no?
One of the extras and
The extras is this. Don't tell me yes and then you want to pull out